Why are you using that color?
That's what you told me to use.
No, baby girl. This color.
In my crease.
This color.
In my crease.
This color.
In my crease.
No, you're not seeing double.
I'm Rachel.
And I am Rebecca.
And today we're gonna show you our everyday makeup looks. But just because we're identical twins
does not mean our makeup is identical.
I like to go with a little bit more of an effortless style. I go with the flow.
I like a little bit more sophisticated makeup, natural glam, but I like to show you that I have some skills.
I have skills too. Today I'm gonna be doing an effortless look. I'm starting off with Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. To top it off, I'm gonna be doing a brown smoky eye and a beautiful nude lip.
And I'm gonna be doing a super edgy look using Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. For the eyes, I'm gonna do a wing liner and complement it with a bold lip.
First up, foundation.
For my foundation, I like to choose a buildable formula, and that's what I really love about this Pat McGrath foundation. I can kind of build up coverage in areas where I need it the most, and then the rest, it just looks very radiant, natural finish, and you wonder, like, why does she look so good?
We're twins, but we definitely have different skin, so I need something that's gonna keep me hydrated, something that's gonna last all day long, and that's why the Fenty Beauty is perfect for me. I can put it on in the morning, and I don't have to worry about whether or not it's gonna last or afternoon touch-up. I'm good to go.
I love this foundation. So
loving it.
Loving it. What's the best thing you've learned from me?
I mean, probably my brows, because I do them every day.
I get brow credit?
Nothing's worse than like trying to go to the beauty store and not finding your perfect shade.
There is such a large diversity that is happening in makeup now. You know, back in the day, the shade ranges were so limited, and nowadays, thank God, brands are coming together and they're recognizing the importance of diversity and inclusion in their brand, and they're expanding their shade ranges. We had Fenty that launched, I think like 40 shades at once.
Yeah.
Same thing with Pat McGrath. For her to be coming out with her own line of foundations is just amazing.
It's huge, right? Go into Sephora and pick your shade, right? I mean,
yeah,
anybody can.
Yeah.
So you don't have to be a master mixer. You can just pick whatever one works for you. I'm absolutely loving the way it's turning out. I have to say, my skin is looking really great.
This is like I came to slay, or did I accidentally slay?
It's always supposed to look like an accident.
Right.
You know?
It's like effortless.
Mm-hmm. I like walking in the room, people are like, ooh, and I'm like, hey.
No.